Sage reporting for kalkinemedia. Thank you for joining us. Please stay watching, we have a trending news topic to follow. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified for our latest videos. IPO listings in April. Here's a list of the top companies to watch for. The global market saw the successful direct IPO listing of Coinbase, the US-based crypto exchange, on Nasdaq yesterday. And closer to home, the Australian IPO market is seeing resurgences in the market listings despite the economic disruption caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The month of April is going to be an action-packed one as 15 companies are slated to be listed on the domestic stock exchange. As many as 7 companies have already made stock market debuts, while the remaining 8 are lined up for listing on the Australian Stock Exchange, or the ASX. The list of upcoming IPOs includes 92 Energy, Australasian Gold, Black Canyon, Q Mines, PWA Holdings, 1PTY, Nicolex, Mighty Kingdom and Metal Tigers. So here's a list of upcoming IPOs that are scheduled to list on ASX in April 2021. Beginning with 92 Energy Limited. The Australian uranium exploration company will be listed on the Australian Securities Exchange, or ASX, on the 15th of April 2021 with stock code 92E. The privately held group, which holds interests in Canada and in Eastern Europe, will be the first ASX-listed uranium exploration company, focused solely on the resource-rich Athabasca Basin in Canada. The company has raised $7 million Australian dollars through initial public offerings, or IPO, at an issue price of 0.20 Australian dollars per share. Australasian Gold Limited's next. The gold exploration company is all set to make a market debut on the 28th of April after raising $4,500,000 Australian dollars by issuing $22,500,000 shares at an issue price of 0.20 Australian APIECE. Given the recent surge in gold prices and higher valuations of many gold mining companies, the company's board opines that good quality gold exploration assets with confirmed mineralisation in Tier 1 mining jurisdictions such as Australia can still represent compelling value. The company intends to use fund proceeds to undertake systematic exploration programs on its flagship May Queen gold project located in the Bravinia goldfield in Queensland and the Mount Claremont project, and to also raise the company's profile through listing on ASX. Black Canyon Limited is next. The shares of the mining company are slated to be listed on ASX soon with stock code BCA. The company has proposed to raise $5 million Australian dollars from IPO at an issue price of 0.20 Australian dollars per share. Q Mines Limited. After the successful IPO, the Australian Exploration and Development Company is all set to list its shares on the ASX on the 21st of April. The Queensland's copper and gold developer has proposed to raise $20 million Australian dollars at an issue price of 0.30 Australian dollars apiece. The company is going to be one of a few ASX-listed copper companies with a brownfield copper asset in a Tier 1 jurisdiction like Australia. PWA Holdings 1PTY Ltd. Peter Warren Automotive Holdings Limited, or PWA, an automotive dealership group in Australia, is set to IPO on the ASX on 27th April 2021. The company has raised $260 million via IPO at an issue price of $2.90 a share. The company, which offers 27 vehicle brands and operates 70 franchises, represents 18 of the top 30 brands in Australia. Nicolex Limited. After successfully raising $200 million Australian dollars in an IPO, the stock of the Australian nickel producer is set to make debut on the ASX on the 23rd of April 2021. Nickel Mines IPO, which is touted to be one of the biggest offerings on the ASX, is the last 1 year, values the company at around $485 million Australian dollars. The firm intends to use the IPO proceeds to implement the company's business strategies. Mighty Kingdom Limited. The games developer Mighty Kingdom will list its shares on the ASX on 21st of April with stock code MKL. The Adelaide-based gaming firm has raised $18 million Australian dollars from the IPO at an issue price of 0.30 Australian apiece. Ahead of the IPO, the company raised 4 million Australian dollars from institutional, family and sophisticated investors. Founded in 2010, the company has released more than 20 games to more than 50 million players worldwide across multiple platforms. Tiger Plc. Shares of Tiger Plc, an investor in mining companies, are slated to be listed on the ASX as of 30th April 2021. The London Stock Exchange AIM listed company invests in high potential mineral projects with a base, precious and strategic metals focus. Thanks for your time watching, and if you like this information, please like, share and comment on the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to be notified for our latest videos. For regular updates and information, log on to our website, kalkinemedia.com.